long time no see. The reason why I'm filming like at the door of the bathroom is because the lighting here is kind of good. And it's nighttime. It's like currently like 8 p.m. maybe 7 something. And I'm going to Lamu tomorrow for like a couple of days. I'll be back on Monday, but I'm going tomorrow early in the morning. And I've been so busy with project period that I didn't have a chance to pack at all. Well, I actually finalized the trip like throughout the week. I wish I did last week. Then I would have like more time to pack, but I didn't. But we're gonna do that now. I need to figure out like the outfits that are gonna go together, makeup I'm gonna take, and all that stuff. I don't take like a lot of things, just a few things that I might need. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So, oh yeah, and I just did like a face mask while I do this because my skin is begging it. I also need to repaint my nails. My nails look janky. They were like painted this really cute neon pink, but project was stressing me and I just started so they were going off anyway. I wanted to change the color for this trip, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I know it looks kind of messy, but I managed to pack. It's actually the next morning. This is the makeup that I'm taking. It looks a lot actually, but it's not that a lot. It's just to be sure, you know, sometimes I want to do fun looks, sometimes I want to try something different. So I have that right there, and then this is just like a really nice beaded bag that I've always wanted to take a photo. It's pretty old actually. It used to belong to my sister and I kept it and I never found a way to wear it. So I have that. I have this also nice like blue bag. My hat's in there, just like a bunch of clothes. I have my skincare somewhere under here, a few body products, and then what I have. Okay, so this is the bag I'm carrying my other stuff with. I wanted to carry like my tote, but I'm not carrying that. I'm just carrying this backpack because it's quick. I need to take my laptop with me, so I have my laptop there in the back. I have a notebook. I have the DJI phone gimbal. This belongs to my friend actually. It's like a really cool like phone gimbal. Pretty cool. Shout out to Andrew for plugging me. Thank you very much. And then I just have like my cords in here. I have like my jewelry in here, and then these are just like a bunch of sunglasses I'm planning to take. And then I'll take my charger, my Vaseline, and this baddie right here. Let me get dressed and then I'll see you guys. Well, if you don't mind, I might try to see you later. Yeah, and mama's gone, and I thought we just got to Lamu. I've never been ever, and I'm here with Halal Safaris and it's so beautiful. We just got here around 11, so we just set up, like decide on what rooms we're gonna stay. We're staying at the Moon Houses, by the way, on Shala Island, and it is so beautiful. Wow. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna show you like a small overview. This is like the chilling area, and that's one of the girls' rooms, and this is my sister and I's room. It's like a double bed room. Anyway, we're going out for lunch now, so catch you guys. So this is the room. It's a double. Since I'm here staying with my sister, this is what the room looks like. I'm here with Halal Travels, and they were so kind enough to give me a goodie bag. So cute. It comes with like a nice black tote. And then what you get inside is like the itinerary and everything like we'll be doing here for the couple of days I'm around. For the couple of days I'm here, and the most like thoughtful gift for me was the mini prayer mat. Very little, very like compact, fits right into your purse. So this was very thoughtful. I love the whole vibe of this place. Very nice. So this is the bathroom, and that is me. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. I really like the style of this bathroom. It's very chic. Very beachy vibes. And then we have the shower, which is very modern. The other rooms we're supposed to pick this in another room, and the other room had kind of like a bathtub. I didn't like it, so I just like I just want my shower. So this is and I've shown you guys like the outside. It looks so stunning. I don't know, like the whole of Lamu is so aesthetic. Like this is my first time here. I'm finding everything like, oh my god, this is so like I'm living. Anyway, this is the room that I'll be staying here for a couple of days. Very airy, very fresh. Oops. And that is our view. So that's basically our room. My makeup is looking kind of janky. I did it in like very quick manner this morning, but I'm kind of happy. This would be like my office workspace. I'll still have my project stuff to do for a couple of few days, and I am not complaining. fact, like our bags were left in Mombasa. Like the lady back at the airport, like back in Nairobi, she put the wrong tag, so they were left in Mombasa when we got to Lamu. So we had to wait like a couple of hours till they're brought, but all's good. They're here now, just waiting for them to be brought up, and then I can get ready, freshen up, change clothes, because we all know that content needs to be created.
Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur, mais pas.
Lamu is so stunning. Like I can't. What? So we just left the tour of the city, and I'm here with my sister, faceless man. Anyway, we're going for the Doe cruise right now, sunset, a few things. I don't know, this experience is so fun.
Hold me close and hold me fast, this magic spell you've cast, this is la vie en rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see la vie en rose. When you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Every day what seems to tell.
We just had our snacks, and just lay here. Headed back. What about it's kind of chilly, and I didn't even carry like a sweater.
Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be la vie en rose. Hold me close and hold me fast, this magic spell you've cast, this is la vie en rose.
So I came back. It is, what time is it? 9:50, almost 10 p.m. and we went out for dinner. We just hung out at the restaurant for like a long time and just talking and catching up and getting to know each other with like the rest of the ladies. And then we came back, and then I sat downstairs with them, like the lounging area, and we just kept talking. And then I realized if I don't take this face off right now and take a shower and do my skincare, I won't literally have time for that, and I'll get so sleepy, which is weird. Every time I come to like the coast, it's so awkward for me because I feel like time moves so slow for me. Dinner time like around 7, I feel like it was like 10 p.m 11, you know, and I'm thinking it's just 7. Like wow, I feel like I've done a lot today, and it's still so early and there isn't much to do in Lamu. I know in Mombasa there's like a lot of things to do. You can still go out in the town and do a lot of stuff, but here it's kind of limited. You're kind of on an island. So I did carry like a lot of my stuff. I think I'm going to show you guys what I packed now, so we can get that out of the way, and then we can hopefully take this makeup off, take a nice shower. So I did mention how I separated like all my items. So my skincare came in this big ass. I honestly don't know why I'm walking around this big bag, but it just has a lot of things I need. I like to come prepared and not miss something. Like I might go somewhere and I might need something, and I'm gonna think about it the whole trip. So I'd rather just carry it, and if I'm not gonna use it, I'm satisfied knowing at least I carried, knowing that I wouldn't need it anytime, which I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing. Anyway, this is the bag I carry. It's a nice cute like makeup bag. So what's inside is a whole lot of skincare. I'm just gonna do it by sections. First thing I have are like baby wipes, and then I always carry Garnier Pure Active Micellar Water for the rest of my face. What I've been using lately is the Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover for lids, lashes and lips. Obviously my skin needs to be hydrated since I'm going to be in the sun all day most of the time, so you guys know the drill. My Minisu, and then from there I just like my treatments. I have my azelaic acid, can't go anywhere with this, got this stuff. Then I also carry like the moisturizing factor, just like a moisturizer from The Ordinary, my niacinamide, and then oh yeah, I have my bar soap as well, which I'm not going to use because they provided some, so I'm going to keep that. And then I also carried some olive oil in this container, skincare stuff. And then just in case my skin starts acting up, which it always does, like in this area, because I think because of the humidity, I carried a mask, a sheet mask, you know. And then I have a perfume, like everyday basic. It's called Sobella So Chic. I do not even know what the brand this is. My mom got this for me. It's really nice. I really like the smell. That's it. And I have my Fenty Beauty primer in here. I use it as moisturizer sometimes. And a travel shampoo, which I carry just in case sometimes, you know, just to be sure sometimes. And then Madam Ocha, just to be safe in case I have a headache coming. That's all in here. Let's take... Now it's time to take this face off. Trying to find the best way to do this, but there isn't. So this is the angle the best angle I could find.
You press me to your heart. I'm in a world apart.
Also, my brows today were looking...
A world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Every day what seems to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be like